Hey everyone, for non-zero numbers a, b, and c, we have a plus b plus c equals 0, 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b plus 1 divided by c equals 3. Also, a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 12. So we're going to find the value of a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed. And we're going to do that by using this formula right here. So we're going to use this formula, which is a combination of this formula here with the cube formula here. This one right here. So a bit of a combination of both of those when we add this 3ABC. Okay, so let's look and see what we have. Using that formula, we already know what ABC is, a plus b plus c. That's going to be 0. Also know what this is, and that's going to be equal to 12. So we're going to have this minus thing going on here. So we need to find negative AB plus BC plus CA. That should be little a. We also need to find ABC in order to use the formula because we already have this information. So let's look and see what we have. We know the formula for a plus b plus c squared. So that's what I'm going to write. So that's going to be a plus b plus c squared equals, and that's going to be a squared plus b squared plus c squared. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a 2. So that's going to be, I'm going to move it down here a little bit, plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. All right, now, for that formula, we know that A plus B plus C is 0, so that's 0 squared, which is just 0. And we have A squared plus B squared plus C squared, and that's going to equal 12. Plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. So basically, if you subtract 12 from both sides and then divide by 2, we get this equals negative 6 equals AB plus BC, BC plus CA. Now, eventually what we're going to need is negative that. So just know that 6 would equal negative AB plus BC plus CA. We'll get back to that later. All right, now that we have that, let's look at this equation, and we're going to use this equation to get our ABC, what we need for this part right here of our equation. So for that, we're going to get 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by B plus 1 divided by C equals 3. Now your common denominator is going to be A, B, C. And so to get that common denominator, our numerator is going to change to BC plus AC plus AB. And we can rewrite this. Let's rewrite as AB plus BC plus CA, just to make it look better, divided by ABC. All right. And this is supposed to equal what? 3. All right. Now, we already know what this equals because we already got that. That equals negative 6. So we have negative 6 divided by ABC equals 3. And solving for ABC, if you cross multiply, you get ABC equals negative 2. So now we have everything we need, and we can use our formula. So let's see what we get. We have A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed. Now, this is going to equal, this part is 0. And then we're going to have times this part right here. And really, this part doesn't matter, does it? Whatever we get here, that's just going to zero out. That's interesting. So we know that this whole thing here, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 12. And then remember, this was going to be minus and negative 6. So we're going to add 6 here. And then you're going to have plus 3 times ABC. And our ABC was negative 2. So what's interesting is that just zeroes out. All that work just to get a 0. And we have negative 6 here. So that is your value of a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.